Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to unlock FPS in Roblox. Okay, first things first, open up your Roblox app. And then, what you want to do is to open up any of the games that you want to play. Now that you are in a Roblox game, what you are going to do next is to just press the Roblox icon above. In here, for you to proceed is to just press the settings. Look for the graphics tab and decrease your graphic levels because the more graphics that you have in your game sacrifices your frames per second. Head back to your game and you should see the significant difference of your FPS. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now unlock FPS in Roblox. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.